Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my hair in some jumbo knotless braids. So yeah y'all, so we already washed and blow dried my hair, and here is the braiding hair we're going to be using today. As you see, we're using the 1B 30. So the top is 1B and the bottom is 30. Each pack comes with like 3 little bundles in there. So hopefully I only have to use one bundle. So yeah y'all, let's get started. Alright y'all, so y'all already know, so to do my jumbo knotless braids, I am parting out a pretty big section in the back. To do this, I am using my mean grip edge control. So as you can see, I literally parted my hair from ear to ear to start my first session or section. And once I parted to ear to ear, I pretty much parted in half, which gave me 2 parts. And from there, I am going to start braiding my knotless braids. Alright, so to do this, as you can see y'all, I already put edge control on to the hair to kind of make it slick. Then what I'll do is I'll start braiding my hair first. Then once I start braiding my hair, I will begin to add in the extension or the kink-along hair within my hair. And as I continue to braid down, I continue to add more hair to the braid, which will make it a little bigger, because again, this is knotless jumbo braids. And I will continue to braid the hair down, and I will continue to add in more hair to make the braid more bigger, and also to make the braid more longer. I prefer longer braids. I prefer my braids to be at least to my midsection of my back or to my butt. I'm about 5'2", and I'm gonna say it in a half. I'm about 5'2" and a half. And like I said, I like my braids excuse me, I like my braids long. And yeah, so right now we're completing this one braid, and we're gonna complete the whole head throughout this whole video. So continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so here it goes. I parted out my second row, and again, this row is kind of right above the ear, and it lines up with your eyebrows. We're gonna part out nice size box size braids. Again, these are jumbo knotless braids, and as I stated in the beginning, you're going to begin to braid your own hair. And as you braid your own hair down, you're going to add in the braiding hair. And as you continue to braid down, you're going to continue to add in braiding hair. The braiding hair is like a mid-size or middle-size braiding hair. You don't want the braiding hair too small, but you don't want it too big. Because again, as you continue to add braiding hair in, the hair will continue to get bigger and the hair will continue to get longer. So be mindful of how much braiding hair you're adding in. But at the same time, these are jumbo knotless braids. So we want them to be a nice size braid. But you want to start off in the beginning when you're braiding your hair, and at the beginning you want to start off with the portion size of the braiding hair to be smaller so it can match your hair as you braiding down. And as you braiding down, you can add a bigger size of hair to make the hair more bigger, if you guys understood that. But yeah, so we're going to continue to do this throughout the entire head. Alright, y'all, so in a minute or now, we're parting out our third session. I think with these jumbo braids, I had about maybe 5 or 6 sessions that I parted out. Again, I'm gonna say it again, this was jumbo knotless braids. So as you can see, we're at the top. These braids did not take that long. It maybe took me about an hour or two to braid them. And as you can see, we're almost done. So again, we're just completely repeating the same steps over and over throughout the head. Listen, baby, if y'all watch my video this far already, y'all should have already hit that subscribe button. Y'all should have already hit that notification bell. Y'all should have already thumbs up this video. Because y'all didn't went this far without hitting subscribe, then we have a problem. So continue to watch, but make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and notification bell. So every time I come with a new video, you guys will be notified. Alright, y'all, we finishing up on this row here. Here is the finished look of that row, and as you can see, I have 3 rows. Now we're about to part out the top, and as you can see, I parted out actually 2 more rows at the top. When I come to the top, I usually do not do a middle part. I don't know why, but I just do not like a middle part. I just don't like a defined middle part in the front. I just don't. I usually will part my hair along the front, and I will braid the hair towards the back. Not stating when you're done that your hair will not fall over your face. It will. You'll still be able to style it. Hair over the forehead, or however you prefer to style it. But me personally, I do not like to do a middle part at all. And even if I had small braids, I would never part out a middle part in the front. When I used to style my hair, I used to just part it however it will fall. But again, that's just my preference. But if you want a middle part, just part out your middle part and braid your hair like to side. But I don't do that. I kind of braid my hair towards the back. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So we finishing up on this, and we're going to finish up on the finished touches, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, now that we done, I am about to do my edges, and as you see, I'm putting edge control all over it. I'm using a mean grip edge control, which you guys can find on my website, and I will also pin it down in this video, and everything that I use in this video will be pinned down in the description box. As I always say, the baby hairs definitely make the style. So once you finish up and you do your baby hairs, pretty much your style looks super neat, super nice, super demure. So that's that. So right now I am putting mousse all over my braids, and I'm going to put a do-rag on it and kind of let it dry, and it just kind of just lay down any flyaways or any hairs that's not in place. It'll pretty much lay everything down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then once I'm done doing that, I wanted like deep waves at the end of my braids. So what I did was I braided the ends of my hair, and once I was done braiding the ends of my hair, I'll just pretty much dip them in hot water. As you can see, I put a scrunchie on the end where I wanted the deep wave to be on the end, and I pretty much braided it all the way down. And once I was done braiding all the way down, as I stated, I went in and I pretty much dipped the hair in hot water. Alright, y'all, so here's me right now dipping my hair in hot water. Kudos to my daughter. She bought me this little portable water heat thing where you can just kind of plug it up and it'll heat the water up. A lifesaver, I must say. So, y'all, here is the finished look of my jumbo knotless braids. As I stated, it took me maybe about an hour or two to do these braids. Towards the end, they are deep wave, but y'all see the neatness in them. Come on now, y'all can't tell me I didn't kill that. But y'all already know I have done so many braiding videos on this channel. Everybody should know how to do their own braids, you feel me? So yeah, y'all, that's it. I appreciate y'all watching. And yes, I'm back. I'm going to start uploading more videos. So make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.